Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy summer top. This project is very quick to do and it's perfect for the beginners. For this project I use Scacco Matto. You can find all the links and how much yarn you need in the description box, and a 6.5mm hook. So first chain 51 to have a length about 48 centimeters. Okay, now we do one single crochet into the second chain from hook. So one single crochet, then we continue to do one single crochet into each chain down the row. So now we have a total of 50 single crochets. So now chain 1, and all we have to do now is to create another row with single crochet. So we do one single crochet into each stitch down the row. So now we are going to create the first row using a triple treble crochet stitch. So first chain 6, chain 6 is the first triple treble crochet. Chain 6, then turn the work. And now we are going to do one triple treble crochet into each stitch down the row. To create the triple treble crochet, you need to yarn over 4 times. So now insert your hook into the next stitch, then yarn over and pull through first 2 loops on hook over and over. And this is the first triple treble crochet. So all we have to do now is to repeat this into each stitch down the row. So remember 4 times, yarn over 4 times, then insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook over and over. And we continue to do this until the end of this row. Pay attention, we need to have the same stitches at the beginning. So now we have a total of 50 treble crochet stitch. So all we have to do now is chain 1, then turn the work, then we do 1 single crochet into each stitch down the row. Remember to do the last single crochet into the 6th chain. So now we have a total of 50 single crochet. So all we have to do now is to alternate this row with the treble crochet and the single crochet row until we will reach the desired length. So first chain 6. And remember, this counts as your first treble crochet. Then we are going to do 1 treble crochet into each stitch down the row. To create a treble crochet, remember you need to yarn over 4 times, then pull through, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops on your hook over and over. We continue to do this until the end of this row. Pay attention, we continue to have a total of 50 stitches. So now we're going to do the single crochet row. So first chain 1 do not count as a stitch, then we do 1 single crochet into the first stitch, then we do 1 single crochet into the next stitch down the row. Remember to do the last single crochet into the 6th chain. So all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows until we have a total of 22 rows, or until we will reach the desired length. Okay, now my panel is about 48 centimeters wide and 50 centimeters long, and all we have to do now is to create 3 rows of simple single crochet to create a nice finish around the neck. So first chain 1, then turn the work, and now we do 1 single crochet into each stitch, and repeat this for the next 2 rows. So we do a total of 3 rows of single crochet. Okay, now my panel is done, and all we have to do now is to create another one. So now cut the yarn and remember to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew the shoulder part. So now grab the 2 panels, and now we are going to take the shoulder measurement, and we attach a marker to the top about 12 centimeters from the corner, And of course do the same on the other side. Then I will leave an open part for the armhole, about 20 centimeters. Then I will sew down the body, but I will leave an open slit about 6 centimeters. So now grab a tapestry needle, then sew all of these parts. So now our project is done and ready to wear. I really love this yarn, this particular yarn, because it looks like a kaleidoscope, so it's very, very particular. And this is a great project for spring and summer season, and with this simple 2-panel design is perfect for the beginners because works up fast. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Scacco Matto summer top. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!